It is Monday morning, and I know I'm like kind of chipper for a Monday morning, but I'm feeling good. It is like 50 degrees outside, so that's amazing. And I'm driving with my sunroof open, so that's why you see this grossness on my face, but it's okay. And now I'm headed to my boyfriend's house. I picked up Chick-fil-A for lunch, and we're gonna eat that and watch his little sweet baby niece. And then tonight I have class. I have Calculus 3 and Linear Algebra tonight, starting at 5 and going until 9. I think that I'm gonna be late. Only by like 1 or 2 minutes, but still.
I don't have lab until 11, but I have homework to do. Yay! So I'm gonna get up in a couple of minutes and start my day.
So I am off to lab, just like that. I know you guys didn't see, but I ate, I read, I did yoga, and you know what I didn't do? Oh yeah, homework. So now my plan is, and I usually do this on a typical week, is after lab, I'm going to the library. Okay, so it is now like 7 o'clock. I went to class at 5:30, and now I'm at the gym. It is, what day is it? Oh, it's Wednesday. And I meant to vlog again last night when I got home, except, of course, I fell asleep and I didn't get any homework done. And then I woke up this morning at 7:30 and I was really sore from working out. Now it's about 10 and yes, I changed, but I changed out of pajamas and into more pajamas because I don't have class until 2. But then when I do start class, I have class straight from 2 to 9. So yeah, right now I'm studying because I have a quiz in dance history today. And then afterwards, I'm probably gonna do chem homework. Yeah, I need to do chem homework. So it has been quite a while. So I'm going to Calculus 3 right now, and then right after I have Linear Algebra in the same classroom. So like I said before, I eat kind of like in class because it's the only time I have time to do so. So that's what I'll be doing. Oh, someone's jaywalking. So yes, I'm going to math right now, and I really wish I had a coffee, but it's okay. That's okay. Tomorrow's my exciting day because I shadow at the hospital on Thursdays, so yay. But since I don't get out until 9 tonight, and I have to be at the hospital at 7:30 tomorrow morning, it's not really much turnaround time for me to sleep and recoup, but that's okay. Hello, so I haven't updated all day because I mean, can't say that, but whatever. So this is the day that I usually go to the hospital, but this morning I overslept, and I texted the doctor that I shadow with, and I was like, I told him that I overslept, and he was like, don't bother coming in today. And so I was like, oh, okay. But today I was very productive, and I am on my way to lecture right now. And right after lecture, on Tuesdays and Thursdays, right after lecture, I always go to the gym. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. All right. I just struggled so hard trying to fix my camera angle, but this is much better, so it was worth it. I was literally shaking because the mount that I have is like serious. Today is Friday and I am on my way to the gym with my friend because we're taking a bar class. Okay, so I'm back and it was so fun. It kind of made my day, honestly. And then my friend and I, Caitlin and I, we went to, where did we go? Oh, we went to City Dock and I got a sausage, egg, and cheese and she got a bagel. But I'm gonna be honest when I say that she couldn't finish her bagel, so I finished that too. So yeah, but it was really good. And now I'm gonna go to the library